interrupt regular programming. This is a very life-threatening situation. Important details will follow. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the USA government. Russia has launched 26 nuclear missiles that are as big as Tsar Bomba missile. These missiles are heading for the Nordic countries. Russia's intentions are unknown at this time. The nest cities are going to be impacted within the 14 to 31 minutes: Reykjavik, Iceland; Suthavik, Iceland; Arns, Iceland; Vestmannaeyjar, Iceland; Akelfoss, Iceland; Karasjok, Norway; Oslo, Norway; Skien, Norway; Valor, Norway; Namsos, Norway; Kiruna, Sweden; Stockholm, Sweden; Alvika, Sweden; Uppsala, Sweden; Fallon, Sweden; Helsinki, Finland; Oulu, Finland; Rovaniemi, Finland; Hinko, Finland; Rama, Finland; Tarnaby, Denmark; Copenhagen, Denmark; Greve, Denmark; Faxen, Denmark; Koj, Denmark; and Marienhamn, Malland. The fallout is going to spread to all Nordic countries completely. All residents of these countries are advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Too long exposure for fallout will result in certain death. It might take a 1 minute after impact for the effects of the fallout to spread. Wait. We have detected 8 missiles coming from North Korea and they're heading towards the United States, Alaska, and Canada. All residents of these countries are advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. If you're in a transport vehicle or outdoors, go to the nearest sturdy building and go to the lowest floor possible. Take food, water, clothes, blankets, flashlight, radio with batteries and pets and OET supplies. Seek a shelter now. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the USA government. The missiles heading for the Nordic countries have hit their targets and the other missile destinations have been confirmed: Honolulu, Hawaii; Anchorage, Alaska; Ottawa, Canada; Los Angeles, California; Boston, Texas; Juneau, Alaska; and Toronto, Canada. You have 15 minutes to evacuate. If you're in a transport vehicle or outdoors, go to the nearest sturdy building and go to the lowest floor possible. Take food, water, clothes, blankets, flashlight, radio with batteries and pets and OET supplies. Seek. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the USA government. The missiles heading for United States, Alaska and Canada have exploded while en route for their targets. They exploded to the sea, causing big waves and heavy wind speed. Every resident of Japan is advised to get indoors to avoid fallout. The reason for the explosions is because underpaid starving people making them. Vladimir Putin is currently questioned for his intentions of destroying Nordic countries. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the USA government. It has been reported that China has launched 45 nuclear missiles and they're heading towards Russia. Some of the fallout may spread to Ukraine, Belarus, and Estonia. The targets are Moscow and some really small villages. Vladimir Putin is currently being taken to very disclosed location. all clear. The fallout has been cleared out of the world, you're free to exit your shelters. There might be no home to return to, but rebuilding starts soon. We are going to have a fresh start. The world's population is currently only 1 billion and some countries lost all their residents including their presidents. The government thanks you for your cooperation during this situation. Regular programming now may resume.